Okay, what exactly is this? What they do this for?
Okay, this is slackline. The name is slackline.
What line?
A slackline.
How do you spell it?
Slack. S-L-A.
Oh, slack line.
Slackline. Yeah.
Okay, but what is the benefit of doing the exercise on this? Like I see a lot of people are doing it.
Well, it's like kind of meditation, something like that, because you have to stand up on this very tiny
Okay.
line, so it's like a very mental sport, like kind of meditation, and you have to be very,
Balanced.
very strong to do it.
Okay, but it is very hard. I'm afraid if I fall, I will break my bones.
No.
What is your name?
Paulina.
Paulina
With P.
Oh, P.
Paulina.
Okay, how come you speak good English? What do you work as?
How do I speak English?
Because many people I've seen met here, they speak only Spanish even if they're going for work and they don't know English.
It's because I learned from since I was a child.
Okay. And what do you work as apart from doing this?
No, I'm just practicing just for fun, but I don't work with this.
Not with this. Any other work you do?
I'm a visual artist.
Oh, visual artist.
Yeah.
That is on graphic or on painting?
Graphic
That's on
artist,
computer.
yeah. No, like visual. Like do you know that art? The name is screen printing.
Oh, screen printing.
Do you know that?
Yeah, I heard about screen printing.
I work with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you do screen printing of cards or stickers or something like that?
We enclose.
Okay.
Mostly in clothes and in paper, some kind of papers. Yeah.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Abhinandan. I'll give you my card. But I also want
What are you doing here in Medellin?
I just came for a site with. I was in USA for 6 months.
Okay.
Then I thought I had seen that Narcos series of Pablo Escobar. So that was very long back. So I thought let me visit Medellin and let me also connect with people to expand my business. They're all laughing.
Those are my friends.
Okay. You speak English?
Yes. But why are you filming?
Oh, I just asked her whether I'm just filming for my people in India. I'm from India. I was in USA for 6 months. Then I came here. I took a house near this place, 2 roads from behind.
Right.
So last week it was Shakira's event.
Yes.
And today I saw some big event happening there all that. So I came this side to ask what it is. So I thought let me take a walk because from morning I was working on my laptop. Then I thought let me take a round here. I wanted to give you my card. 1 second. Okay, fine. Okay, there is a meaning for it. 1 second. Very good. She's balancing by sitting. But I've seen some people, they stand on the leg also. Am I right? Yeah.
That's the next step.
Yeah. So I spoke with them and I gave them my card. And one of the girl with that blue one was very attractive. She says she's looking for a job but no income. Okay, and she only told this is like God sent for me. Okay, but that is not having the Colombian number. It's having the US number and one US number is blocked. So this is how they balance on that. It's not so easy. A person like me, if I fall, we break our legs. But there they. So the girl name is Victoria. Another girl lady I met, she was cycling. I spoke to her, she spoke good English. She was, this other one was Pauline, Victoria, and I met another one. I gave her the card. And so, let me take an outside walk right now. And here people sit around I think waiting for their kids who finish their exercises or gymnastic work. So let me take a walk this side and let me go back this side only. So those of you contact Abhinandan, speak to me if you want to do a global business with $51. With $51. With $51 or 4,741 rupees and slowly earn $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per week and later per month. Okay, So people go around skating like this. I'll see how long this will come on. Today there are very less people because there's one big event going to happen on Saturday. I'll go check it online and I'll see whether, you know what, here I will go for this event or not. This is Abhinandan. So WhatsApp means speak to me. 9:30 p.m. 9:30 p.m. after a day's work and going to a supermarket, I just came here. You see, all people will be still very active here. Okay, we'll be doing some activity. There is one very big event happening on this Saturday by a Colombian singer. Okay, and you will see lot of activities at night 9:30, nearly 9:30 it is. See, I got that side. See, for everything people will be involved here, something or the other. There will be people sitting in pub, bar, discos, nightlife, and then you see people doing this kind of exercise, not one toe. Okay, people walking like this. This is Abhinandan. See people walking like this. Whatever is their exercises they are doing. I come to the stadium because the stadium is fully closed today already for one big event. Again another Colombian singer, Maluma. Event. It is more bigger than Shakira's, I think, because they are covering the whole stadium. Unlike this one, Shakira's one is only a stadium, but this one is full stadium complex. Okay, I thought I will never record, but if you see anywhere like this, there will be the youth, and you see the youth, there will be everywhere doing some training, physical activity, exercises, training program, and in the sports. Okay, here also you see they'll be doing some physical activity. Okay, exercise, gymnastic, dance, skating. Thousands of people do skating. But I don't see an environment like this. These are much more smaller kids. And it is what time? 9:30. I want to target that lady with a laptop. I do not know whether she knows English. She's sitting with a laptop. See here? A lot of people doing their... if I go that side, people will be playing. People will be... It's already 9:30 right now. And you go around the stadium. The stadium complex is very huge. Okay, and you will see like this the youth, the young people. And then you go inside the athletic ground. Everywhere people will be exercising, doing physical activity, playing, running, jogging. And then you go to a nightlife road. There you will see thousands of people. Okay, I'll go back again with one more round. These are young people over here, so I should not record. In USA, they will put a restriction not to record. Here, no. Here is the trainer or someone is giving some motivation. These are very hard. People walk on this. This is just one part. This is very huge. So from morning I was translating into Hindi language, the video, images, text, everything to target Hindi networkers. Okay, and then I came out only at 8 o'clock. Then I went to a supermarket. At last moment, like in USA here also, you know, at 8 o'clock if you go and they are closing at 8:30. They are closing at 8:30. They reduce the price 60%. What will be 60 rupees will become about 20 rupees. Fruits, vegetables, and all. So you go anywhere. I came back this side. Let me go that side right now. And you should see the skating. At least 1,000 people will be skating. Let me go there and continue. See, inside they are playing basketball. Like this, there are a lot of places. So anywhere you see, They are getting trained or whatever it is. Okay. As I was walking right now, what's your name?
Travis.
Travis. So you're from you spoke good English and he started telling me about this activity which is going to happen on Sunday. Who's a singer?
Maluma.
Maluma. He's a famous singer.
He's very famous in Latin America, but any Spanish-speaking countries they probably heard of him. He's pretty famous.
Okay. Last week there was Shakira's. I saw
Shakira was
the.
last week, and he actually came from. He lives in Miami.
Oh, he's from Miami.
Well, no, he's from Medellin.
Okay.
He flew down from Miami to be at Shakira's concert, so he did like a song with Shakira.
Oh, he's the same guy with the one with the bald head. No, one whose head.
Yeah, he has like short shaved kind of haircut.
I saw some of his clips, but I did not.
He's from here. He's from Medellin.
Okay.
Yeah, so he's very famous in this region, but in all Spanish-speaking countries.
Okay.
And he's doing a concert on, I think, Saturday night. I was just going to ask actually because we have a football game.
Okay, you have a football game.
Uh-huh.
So what kind of business you do?
I have a language exchange.
Where is it?
In Provenza, so like in Poblado.
How far it is from here? I stay just opposite the stadium. I'm lucky to get a Airbnb place over here.
Yeah.
So what I like to do is I would like to connect with you and have your WhatsApp number.
Okay.
Okay, and I am also looking for some business contacts over here. I educate people on passive businesses globally.
Wow.
Okay, passive businesses globally, and I'm an expert in 2 or 3. So I would like to share that information with you by having your WhatsApp number. Do you use WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Okay, just take out your mobile so I'll scan and you can scan it.
The only problem is I think I've only
Okay.
got 1% battery.
Okay, let
Can I
me.
get a card?
Yeah, 1 second. Let me take yours. So I met Travis, who speaks nice English, and he runs a language exchange. In fact, I was looking for a language exchange. How many people attend every day? Every week once?
No, we do it once a week. We do it on Tuesday nights.
Oh, Tuesday. It was finished yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we usually have about 1,000 people at each event.
1,000 people. Every event.
Yeah.
Every Saturday.
Every Tuesday.
Sorry, every Tuesday.
Yeah.
1,000 people, where they gather?
Sorry?
How many people you told? 1,000.
Yeah.
Where do 1,000 people gather?
No, we do it in a nightclub, in a bar in Provenza, and part of it is the language exchange, and then afterwards there's a party and everything like that. So yeah.
Oh, very good. How much is the fees or something is there, or you have to pay for it?
There's a cover charge after 8 o'clock of 20,000 pesos. So it's
Oh,
about-
20,000 is very less.
It's like $5.
Oh, $4. Yeah, $4. Okay, I would like to come once. You send me the details.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and so from how many years you are there in Medellin?
I've been in Medellin for 3 years, but I've lived in Colombia for 15 years.
15 years.
Yeah.
Wow. So you know Spanish very well.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. I want to learn a little bit of Spanish. Okay. So you're having you're going this side or this side?
No, I'm going out this way. I've got to go get a taxi because I've got no battery.
Okay, I'll come still there because I like to walk. I was working from morning, so I thought let me take a fresh air, and I saw some event happening over here. I thought let me see if it is true. See, I see a lot of activity. Huh?
They've taken over the whole.
The whole place, more than Shakira's event. See, like that?
Yeah, because actually, like to be fair, Shakira's event was really just in the actual main stage.
Yeah, in the stadium. But this one I saw a lot of events.
Ustedes saben qué está pasando. Maluma. Sí, claro, pero están haciendo como varios escenarios o algo así.
Sí, porque va a haber un festival de 3 días.
Ah, ok.
O sea, aparte del concierto que va a haber el sábado,
Sí.
va a tener un parche pues acá como tal por fuera de toda la unidad, para toda la gente que no vaya a entrar.
¿Y es más temprano o como que
Claro,
es parte
empieza
de
con-
No, claro. Es que yo fui por allá en Amateros, entonces sí. Y supuestamente
See, there are a lot of activities
Ah,
there.
no, ya no creo.
¿No?
Todo va a estar cerrado todo. O sea, toda la unidad
Sí.
va a estar cerrada.
Hay más como la Marte 2. Que es el otro cancha que es como este,
Igual.
pero el otro lado. No, chao. Porque los de Inter nos dijeron que todo
¿Que
bien.
podía?
Pues no sé.
Ah, no creo. La verdad no creo, todo lo van a cerrar.
Yo tampoco, pero no creo. Todo eso porque nos cancelaron la semana pasada.
What do you say? Is it free or what?
No, definitely not. So yeah, you've got to buy a ticket. You've got to be at the concert to be able to go to the other stuff. But these are all like other areas that.
But not free. These are not
Oh,
free.
God, no.
Oh.
No, it'd be very expensive.
Okay.
So these are going to be other artists and things like. So it's kind of like a festival.
Oh, like a
atmosphere.
fair.
Yeah. little
Like
bit.
a family fair apart from the
Well, I wouldn't say
concert.
very family. It's so people that are going to the concert. There's going to be a bunch of other
Okay.
events.
Okay.
And you have to pay for it. Well,
Yeah.
no, you don't have to pay for the events. It's just
Okay.
if you have a ticket to the concert, you can go to all
Okay.
the other stuff.
Oh, very good. Let me check the website. You know the website or something? Can you share me or?
No idea. But if you look up Maluma concert magazine,
Okay, maybe I'll get it. What would be the
probably
ticket?
most of the tickets I imagine are probably going to be resales now because I'd say it's sold out.
Oh,
Ya
it's-
está, pues, compraron todo, ¿no? No, pues,
Es que eso se agotó en un momentico como era boleta por tu boleta.
Oh, it's
so
already
it's sold out in like 5 minutes.
Oh, 4 months ago sold.
It's been sold out for a long time.
Oh.
My wife was looking the other day, and you can probably get tickets, but they'd be resales, not.
Okay, little more.
But they have like a lot of like scams online. And
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
But yeah, basically, like they sold out ages ago, and all of this stuff you can enter, but you have to have a ticket to the concert.
Yeah. Let me just check it. But if you can get some genuine ticket, let me know. I know many people paid money and they got all fake tickets last time for Shakira's
Yeah,
event.
no, my wife bought bought
Second
tickets for Shakira, and then they cancelled the first concert, but then she went to the second one and it was fine.
Okay.
So yeah, but I mean, she got them through a legitimate
Okay.
website.
Okay.
But you can buy resale tickets, I imagine. I don't know how much they are.
Okay.
I just said to my wife, "Don't tell me. I don't care." I don't know.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
nice meeting you then. Okay.
Sorry.
You're going this side?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Then thank you. What is that in your packet? What is that?
They're just chips, mate.
Chips. Okay. We'll meet once again for a coffee and discuss.
Cheers.
Thank you very much. Nice talking to you. Bye. See, this is how it's not very bright here. Let me go further. So I spoke to Travis. Then, you know what? So I just go around like this after my head start paining from working from morning. 9 o'clock till evening 7 o'clock I was working, doing all the translation into Hindi. And then I just came out. Now met some 5-6 people. 5 females and 1 guy. I just talk randomly with a very powerful voice, and then they will talk. Some of them get frightened, and so now I'll go back to my room. So this event seems to be bigger than who is that Shakira's event. So Shakira's event was only inside the stadium, but these people have taken the whole stadium complex. And you know what? When Shakira was singing, this guy came. When they was coming, there was one big, what is that? Crowd screaming. There's one bald guy. You can look at it, Maluma, Maluma, and Maluma is a Colombian singer but living in Miami. All the Spanish people, they live in Miami. Once they make money, even Messi also has I think he paid some 100 million for an apartment, more than 100 million. So this is a stadium complex, which is having a big stadium one, with more than 60,000-70,000 people seating capacity and more than 1 lakh with all the down if it is a concert. And then there is a lot of 6-7 football stadiums, football grounds, 8 swimming. This is a swimming pool, Olympic swimming pool, and 8 swimming pool totally. So I was very lucky to get a place nearby, 2 minutes from here. Now it's already 10 p.m. If not, this area will be fully crowded, and this will never be this partition because of that fellow's event they're having, and they're closing around fully. So now I'll go back to my room because from 8 o'clock till 10 o'clock, 2 hours fresh air. So if you watch my video for so long, connect with Abhinandan. Okay, if you don't speak, after speaking to me, okay, by asking, I want to know what is that you're earning, Like that, people only one time it's raining already. Morning also it rained. It's drizzling. So I did not see for Shakira's event like this. All this booth, all the stadium, all the other stadiums are occupied and all. And this is 5 days before they have done it. See, this is the vehicle I like. Once I'm looking for 4 people who will be good in driving, so we can make a motorhome like this. See, this is Mercedes, I think. Mercedes Sprinter. Yeah, it's Mercedes. Like Mercedes in India is tied up with what is that? Force company. Here it is, but it's very expensive here. In USA, it's very cheap. USA for $40,000, $50,000, you get this one. But this is bigger one with a top AC. This can have 6 beds. If you make it into a motorhome. In USA, it is cheaper. But in Colombia, I just checked the prices. It's very expensive. Okay. So this is the stadium. Here and all on Sundays it will be nice activity. Every day evening also. Let me stop right now. So connect with Abhinandan. If you are a business minded, okay, not wage slave mind, not cyber coolie mind. Cyber coolies, wage slave mentality, people will only ask. They just want to know what it is, but they don't take action. Then they will tell some stories, excuses. Oh, it started drizzling. So when I walk like this, another 5 hours before I can sleep, I can attentively work. So I'm going to stop right now. Another 1 minute from here. Another 1 minute, less than a minute. See, at this time also they'll be playing their basketball. Is it basketball? No, that is volleyball. Okay. Anywhere you see, people will be playing. I like that very much. Okay. People who play, people who read, people who do productive things. See? So all of them, it is full light. It's full. So that is a lane I got today. It's all empty already. If not, this will be a peak place. So people are still skating. People will go like this, skating around. 1,000 people will go in the evening time, more than 1,000. Like this. These are only 2 right now. Okay. Evening time at 6:30, 7 o'clock they go around the place. So this is where Ananya Pandey, more beautiful than Ananya Pandey and Pooja Hegde. She will be standing here. She will have a street food cart. Ananya Pandey and Pooja Hegde and all is nothing in front of her. She stands over there. Okay, today I do not know. I think today is a dry day. It's a Wednesday. So that end of the gate is where I'm staying. So if I had gone somewhere else, this kind of posh locality with this activity I would not have got. So anyway, I'm stopping right now. Okay. These are videos I'm making for myself, not for anyone else. For my memories. This road I go straight, end is a temple. So just 1-2 lane is where I stay. If there's a concert here, sitting in my room, I can listen. So I'm going to stop right now. 23rd April 2025.